Para sa mga Pilipino na pauwi sa Pilipinas galing sa bansang Canada, meron ng direct flight ang Air Canada galing Canada papunta sa Pilipinas na nagsimula pa noong April 2. At nangako naman ang pamunuan ng Air Canada na gagawin nila ang kanilang best para walang delayed flight at lost baggages ng mga pasahero.
Lilipad na ang kauna-unahang direktang flight ng Canadian flag carrier na Air Canada mula Vancouver patungong Maynila simula April 2. Ang dagdag na flight option na ito makakabuti raw sa mga biyahero. Ang report mula kay Rhea Santos.
Sana ang Air Canada will look into that market na we Filipinos always want something not cheaper but something affordable for all of us.
Gusto natin maganda service.
It's good news for us, especially to our big Filipino community here in British Columbia.
Naganap ang selebrasyon ng pagsisimula ng non-stop flights ng Air Canada mula Vancouver patungong Maynila Martes. 3 beses kada linggo patungong Pilipinas ngayong Abril ang paunang bugso ng lipad ng Canadian Airline. Pagdating ng Mayo, 4 na beses na ang iaalok nitong flights.
You can find our prices are very competitive. We offer different ranges of products for consumers. We are so excited to be launching this service. We will have Tagalog speaker on the flight. We will be featuring Filipino dishes on the flight. There will be beef kare-kare. There will be chicken adobo. So you try us out. And you know, we are known for our glowing-hearted Canadian hospitality. So you will feel that sense of Canada on the way there and on the way back.
Ang Pilipinas ang ika-12 direktang destinasyon ng Air Canada sa Asia Pacific. Patunay daw ng lumalakas na relasyon ng Pilipinas at Canada. Maganda rin daw na nabibigyan ng pagpipilian ang mga biyahero.
Of course, yeah, we have Philippine Airlines, but as they say, more choices, the better, more competition, and I think this will really give Filipinos more options.
It's a direct flight that will support some $30+ million worth of economic activity and about 130 odd jobs.
No delayed flights, lost baggages, stuff like that.
We do our best.
Asahan din daw na may mga crew na Pilipino sa check-in pa lamang at maging sa eroplano.
Sobrang nakaka-proud po tsaka masaya kasi alam ko ang tagal talaga nating hinintay ito ng mga Pilipino, lalo na dito sa Vancouver. We would like to make Filipinos feel welcome when they go back home. And that sense of pride, having one of their kababayans as one of their flight attendant is very important.
1:55 ng madaling araw ng April 2, lilipad na po ang kauna-unahang direct non-stop flight ng Air Canada mula dito sa Vancouver patungong Maynila. Higit 270 pasahero ang magiging sakay nito.